Assalamu alaikum friends, today I will discuss how to reset YouTube recommendations. Open the YouTube app. Tap on your profile image. Click Settings. Click History and Privacy. Click Clear Search History. Clear Search History. Click Clear Watch History. Clear Watch History. Tap on your profile picture. Select your data in YouTube. Scroll and look for YouTube Watch History. Click Manage your YouTube Watch History. Tap on Delete under Watch Your Activity. From the list of options, choose Delete All Time. Scroll and look for YouTube Search History. Click Manage your YouTube Search History. Tap on Delete under Search Your Activity. From the list of options, choose Delete All Time. Thanks for watching.